Welcome to Local PM Services How to Get Your Deposit Back series. Over the next few videos, we're going to be talking about the things that you should and that you can do to be able to get your deposit back. We're going to back up. We're going to take a look at the house as a whole. And the next thing that we're going to make sure that we take care of is the items that we touch all the time and we don't think about. Light switches, doors, things that we use throughout the year that we're here and then never even notice that they've gotten dirty and grimy. Your best friend is going to be a magic eraser. You're just going to go over it very easily. It's going to be able to take off any of the things that have been left on throughout the year. Now that we've finished cleaning the often touched surfaces, we're going to move on to the other areas that we may have not remembered about. The baseboards, the crown moldings, we're going to make sure that those get dusted. Also, you're going to make sure that you dust the ceiling fans, the top and the bottom, and then move on to your HVAC air return grate. You're going to make sure that you actually dust that because we know you've been changing your air filter every month. One of the things to remember is that your air return, it may look clean from one angle and dirty from another. So you want to make sure, because it is slanted louvers, that you clean both sides of it. That is where a Swiffer comes in very handy. And you're going to be able to just push those into the louvers to get as much as you can clean.